Here's a story for you. It used to be a staple in every household office, even the TV newsroom. But the glory days for the typewriter are long over. The clunky machines have become almost obsolete, long replaced by things like computers and iPads. But one young author in Nanaimo is keeping that old school way of typing alive, one story at a time. CTV's Chandler Grieve has the story.
The author moved to Nanaimo from Holland in 2009 and brought with him his impressive collection. Dirk owns 70 typewriters, all from different eras, including this Underwood built in 1909.
But Dirk doesn't have just one typewriter, he has nearly 70 of them, all of them collected from around Vancouver Island and from his home country of Holland, and some of them date back to the early 1900s.
This one is a Underwood and it's made in 1909.
It's the oldest in his collection, landing a special place in the Typewriter Museum he has set up in the bedroom of his Nanaimo home. His family moved to the island 3.5 years ago from Holland, and the collection has been building since then.
Tour here. So let me start with my Royal 440 from 1969. As you can see, here's my Honor from number 9 from 1912.
Typewriter Museum. Be nice enough to remove all the covers. Except for this cardboard on top, I just realized. So I'll just do a quick tour and update because I did a tour already a year ago, a year and a half ago. But many machines have come and gone since then. Today is September 20th, 2015. In this video, I would like to make an announcement. Since December 2009, I have been collecting manual typewriters as a hobby and eventually also as a business. I've cleaned, oiled and sold many different. In this video, I want to talk about, or just give a brief overview of all of the typewriters that I have as of today, November 19th, 2016. I think altogether I have about 25 typewriters ranging from the late 19th century to the late 20th century. There's quite a few gaps between them. Where I stored the typewriters. This was my typewriter museum. As you can see, they cut away all the walls. This is what a shelving unit used to be. Over here was a table. This is where the television stood. Here you look into the closet where I used to store the typewriters before I sold half of the collection. Of course, now I'm very thankful that I did, because if I didn't, then all the typewriters would have been in there and they would have all been ruined because water was up an inch in that closet. Behind here is the bathroom. This is where the toilet used to be. You can see the plumbing is still in place. That's the bathtub. Oh well, upwards and onwards I suppose. See what the future brings. Thank you for watching.